hungry. I need to go get myself some chicken. Man, bruh, I gotta go hit a lick on this drive-thru for a 12-piece chicken.
Welcome to Popeyes. What you want?
What y'all got?
We got chicken, we got chicken tender, we got chicken nugget, and baby, we got chicken sandwich, and we got biscuit.
Let me get the 12-piece chicken bucket. Make it dark.
You want that black, honey?
Yes.
Alright, $12.25. Pull up to the next window.
Shit, $12.25? I ain't paying no damn $12.25 on my mama. Let me speak to your manager.
What up, cuz? I'm the manager of this joint. What's the issue, dog?
So this whore at the fucking pickup line is trying to charge me $12.25 for a 12-piece bucket of chicken.
$12.25 for a 12-piece? What are you, broke? Well, I think you're broke and fat.
What you mean? I ain't broke.
Boy, shut your lips. Yes, you are.
And I'm sure as hell ain't fat.
Bro, you ordering a 12-piece for yourself. Boy, you fat.
Stop playing with me, bro, before I pull out the 44 to buy my 4 for 4.
Oh, shiver me, Tim.